Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SHIB update for Friday 22 of July. And SHIB is still looking amazing. It's really hitting the right notes at the moment. I'm still not entering SHIB, even though I want to enter SHIB at the moment. It's because I want to see maybe how the weekend is going to play out. There could be a little bit of chance for SHIB to maybe make another small movement in the weekend, maybe come down here in the weekends and hold this level, and finally after the weekends, start to move higher and higher, and then go to 1.7 something level. But to me, guys, at the moment, that was a very nice retest. It does look like an amazing retest at the moment. You're bouncing off the EMAs as well, so you can see that you're bouncing off the 55 and the 20 EMA. You're about to make that bull cross, right, which you still haven't made. But I just want to see what's going to happen. Now you do have a dragonfly doji as well, so this is the dragonfly doji that I'm talking about, and you're about to make a morning star as well on the daily, and you do have 16 hours to close this candlestick. So it's doing an amazing job. A lot of things are looking amazing for SHIB at the moment, and on a 4-hour time frame, you're just making that small rise again back up. But what I want to see is maybe just come up here, come up just like that, and maybe go down once again, make a double bottom, during the weekend, and then go up, make a W like this, break this level, and then boom, you start to move higher and higher, and then you go to that technical target during that time. Now, can it make a double bottom? I don't know, honestly. It cannot make a double bottom if it wants to, but because the weekend is coming in, I reckon there could be a little bit of more dumps coming in before we start to move to the high spot. Just watch the Bitcoin update and why I think there could be a dump. And that's it for today's update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.